Welcome. In this video, we're going to go through a quick and simple guide on how to disable the Filter All Messages option on the Discord app for PC after the latest update. If you've been noticing that some of your messages aren't coming through the way you expect, or certain chats are being filtered automatically, don't worry. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to turn that setting off and make sure you see all messages without restrictions. First, open up your Discord app on your computer. Make sure you're logged into your account and that the app is fully loaded before proceeding. Next, take a look at the bottom left corner of your screen. You'll see your username and profile picture. Right next to it, there's a little gear icon. Go ahead and click on that gear icon to open up your user settings. Once you're inside the settings menu, scroll down the left-hand side until you see the section called Content and Social. This is where Discord groups together all the features related to message filtering and social interaction settings. Click on Content and Social to access the filtering options. Now, under the settings for message scanning, you'll see a few different choices that control how Discord filters your messages. What you'll want to do here is choose the option that says Do Not Filter. Selecting this option ensures that none of your direct messages or server messages are blocked or restricted. After you've chosen Do Not Filter, your changes will be applied immediately. There's no need to save or restart the app. From this point forward, all of your incoming messages will appear exactly as they are sent, without being filtered or hidden by Discord. That's it. You've successfully disabled the Filter All Messages option on Discord for PC. This update makes it a lot easier to find and adjust this setting, so now you'll always have full control over your messages. If you found this guide helpful, go ahead and adjust your settings now, so you never miss important chats again.